Joe's Ranch, guys. FedEx just showed up. That means today is a good day in Defender world. We got some parts. We're gonna have to get the forklift out. Today is an exciting day, as you can see right there. High value. We've been waiting months for these two. Let's get them inside. Don't drop it down the hill. Yes, that is high value. I can attest to that. This one hurt a little bit to order, but this has been many months in the waiting, and we are super excited to finally have one sitting here at the shop, straight from GM Performance parts via Karl Performance. Let's see what we got inside here. Losing my goddamn mind. So currently wandering around looking where I put the utility knife. That's the story of Joe's life.
In the dumbest spot possible.
Yep. I set stuff in terrible places.
How far did you walk?
Oh, I walked out there. There it is. It's over here. So we're gonna start with the one that's not as exciting, but it is in the cool little case. That right there is our brand new GM Performance 6L80E transmission with the controller and wiring right there, and some more stuff. Looks like the vent tube. And that's strange. It is a two-wheel drive one. The Defender's not two-wheel drive, is it? Wait. That's where this hunk of aluminum comes into play. We're gonna have to rip the rear housing off that, and this gets bolted in place, and then we mount the Land Rover transfer case up to it. So, that's pretty sweet. That stuff's cool and all, but let's get to this. This stuff has been on like intergalactic back order this year. So it's a pretty good feeling that it's actually sitting in our possession. We have a box. Let's see what we got in here. Appears to be some transmission cover plates, a $15,000 sticker, installation kit, some bolts, and we got our flex plate for that 6L80. Then we got another box, a special part. We got the engine management kit for the LS. Engine control module, oxygen sensors, that's nice. A throttle pedal. Ooh, we have an envelope with instructions. In this white box is our wiring harness. Now let's get to what you guys have been waiting for. I mean, mainly it's mostly me waiting, but some of you guys might have been waiting too. Right here. We're gonna pop her apart. Looks like a well-built crate. It's quite literally a brand new crate engine. But it is nice when you buy something from the manufacturer like GM. It comes in some of the nicest packaging I have received an engine in. And the transmission case is cool. This takes me back to the old days of working at the parts department at a Chevy dealer. But enough about that. Let's unbox it. We'll use Ted's fancy new extended reach ratchet. Let me get this out of the way. Is she not pretty? That right there is our 430 horsepower, 6.2 liter LS3, straight from GM. Brand new. This thing is gonna do fantastic in that. The Defender back there. It is fancy. Everything's so shiny. So what do you guys think? You think 430 horsepower is sufficient for the Defender? This was a test of patience with the old supply chain deficiencies. So it's exciting to actually have something big and important on hand. That's not normal these days. So there we have it. We have the cool stuff sitting here for the Defender. 430 horsepower, 6.2 liters, 6-speed auto, 4-wheel drive adapter, and a chassis. All we need to do, slam this stuff together and start stabbing it in there. But first, we're gonna pull these axles apart, get these all rebuilt, upgraded shafts, limited slip in the rear, new brakes, new bearings, refinish them, and then we can get that chassis sitting on the ground and get 430 horsepower sitting in it. So why did we opt for the GM Performance LS3? It's quite a bit more expensive than the other LS engine options out there, but this is going to be a high quality Defender build, and we wanted to start fresh. And being GM kind of invented that old LS engine, who better to get it from than the people who make it? I know there's some good performance options out there, but it is a Defender after all. 430 horsepower of bulletproof reliability is what we were after. We didn't need 600 horsepower. That's kind of useless in this application. So it's expensive, but it's right. It is a good solid 430 horsepower, 6.2 liter V8, gonna be reliable, and that's what we want. Flick the key, it'll start just like a Camaro SS or a Corvette. Perfect, right? With that being said, guys, don't forget, we're getting pretty close to the 5,000 subscriber mark where we are giving away a Land Rover's Only t-shirt to one of you that is subscribed. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet. We'll catch you on the next one.
I can't get there. That's good living.
Thanks.
Bye guys, have a nice Christmas.
Yeah, you too.